In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Waze no GPS or approximate location error, an issue that can be frustrating when you're on the go and relying on Waze for navigation. Let's walk through some effective solutions to get you back on track. First, it's important to start with a few quick checks. Often, a simple solution is the best one. Begin by restarting the Waze app. This means closing the app completely and then reopening it. If that doesn't help, try restarting your phone. A fresh reboot can eliminate minor glitches that might be interfering with the GPS functionality. Another straightforward tip is to move outdoors or closer to a window. GPS signals can be easily obstructed by buildings, tunnels, or even a dense forest, affecting your app's performance. Next, it's essential to check your location permissions. Ensuring these settings are accurately configured can make a significant difference. For Android users, navigate to Settings, then Location. Ensure that location is turned on. Head over to App Permissions, find Waze, and set it to allow all the time or while using the app. Furthermore, under Location Services, select High Accuracy, which utilizes GPS, Wi-Fi, and mobile networks. If you're using an iPhone, go to Settings, scroll to Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Make sure Location Services is turned on. Find Waze in the list and choose while using the app or always for more consistent tracking. Also, toggle precise location to on for more accurate results. Calibrating your GPS is another critical step. For this, you'll need to open Google Maps on Android or the Compass app if you're using an iPhone. Wave your phone in a figure 8 pattern several times. This helps recalibrate the internal compass of your device. After doing this, return to the Waze app and see if the location accuracy has improved. If the problem persists, consider resetting the Waze app cache. Android users should go to Settings, Apps, then Waze, and under Storage, clear the cache. If you're on an iPhone, you can go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, select Waze, and choose Offload App, then reinstall it. This process removes temporary files that could be causing issues without deleting your essential data. Updating and reinstalling Waze is another viable solution. Check for updates in the App Store or Play Store and install any available updates. Sometimes, if the app remains problematic, uninstalling Waze, restarting your phone, and then reinstalling the app from scratch can resolve persistent bugs. Finally, examine your network and battery settings. Toggling airplane mode on and off can quickly reset your device's connectivity settings. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it affects Waze's GPS capabilities. It's also advisable to disable any battery saver or data saver options, as these can prevent the app from accessing GPS data. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Waze GPS issues and enjoy a seamless navigation experience once again. If the problem continues, it might be worth checking for any potential hardware issues with your device or reaching out to Waze support for further assistance. Thank you for watching and safe travels.